Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a very easy song here. Why not? We love that. This one is Sigala and Talia with a song called Stay the Night. So, we love when we have one chord progression through the entire song, one strumming pattern, and if it's a good song, then great. And this is the case. We have something of a dance song here, and we have the chords C, E minor, D, and B minor. So we're gonna look at the chords first. Put your capo here on the 3rd fret to match up with the sound. So let's go. Starting with C. Okay, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Right, next, E minor, that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have D next, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the final chord will be a B minor chord. That is how we're gonna handle it. So that will be 2nd on A, open D or muted D, it's up to you. If you choose to play it muted, then you just use your finger, preferably your index finger, which you're using here on the 2nd A, and just put it on top of the D string. You get that sound, lean it on top of it. Don't push it down, just touch it like that, a little bit gently. All right, so that is the D, and then comes the 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. So there you have the chords. C, E minor, D, and B minor. Now, let's look at the strumming. And for this one, we need to divide it into 2 parts, because some chords will split on one strumming pattern. So, we will look at the C first, since that is one of the chords that plays the full strumming. All right, but we'll start to show you the full round and then divide it into the 2 different parts. So the full strumming will be down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Okay, so. Okay. So we'll start with the first part, and that is simply the first 2 downs. Okay, so that will be part 1. So down, down. And then comes down, up, up, down, 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 up. So that is part 2, and that will sound like this. Down, up, up, down, 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 up. And if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Okay. So there you have the 2 parts and 1 full round. Now, what about the chord progression and how do we handle it? So you're gonna play, like I said, the C, E minor, D, and B minor in that order through the entire song. But we need to think as a pair of chords here. So that means we will play C and E minor together, and then D and B minor together. So C and E minor will pair up, and D and B minor. So how do we split on those 2 chords? So you're gonna play the C, 1 full strumming pattern plus part 1. And then you quickly change to E minor and play part 2. And the same scenario goes with the next 2 chords, which is the D and the B minor. So the D will play 1 full strumming round plus part 1. And then you switch to B minor and play part 2. So I'm gonna show you this a little bit slower in standard tempo. So starting with C, let's go. C1 plus part 1, E minor part 2, D1 plus part 1, and B minor part 2. With some standard tempo going on, it will be something like this. Okay guys, so there you have it, Sigala and Talia Stay the Night. So that's one for you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please thumb up and leave a comment. Play tuned.